Are you receiving a lot of comments in your stories and replies and you don't know what to do? You're overwhelmed? Well, I got a solution for you that it's automated and we can use Manychat for it. And you can like and reply to your stories automatically on Instagram using Manychat. Hi. If you're new to my channel, my name is Andrea. I'm the Irresistible Experience Creator, and I help you use technology, automation, and virtual events so that you can create an irresistible experience for your audience. Let's just get right to it. I don't want to yap. Let me show you my screen and we will connect your Instagram stories and have them like and react depending on what you wanted to do. And we're going to create some aleatory messages as well because it's so important that we don't send the same exact message to everybody all the time, because if not, the other bots, the Instagram bots, are going to block you even though this is allowed inside of Instagram. Now, you will need a Manychat Pro account to do this. So if you don't have an account, make sure that you get one with my affiliate link below. Yes, I get some commission. That's a disclaimer. But also you get a better deal when you have a lot of subscribers if you use my link. So I will see you in the inside. Okay, we are inside of the automation section and we've opened a new automation. Make sure that you put it in the right folder, you name it, etc. So let's name it here first, Untitled. We double click on it and we're going to say IG story replies. Okay, and we're going to click on the new trigger. And what's going to happen is, and what you need to do is you need to select on this trigger called user replies to your story. We click on it. So it says message will be sent when a follower replies to all stories, a specific story. Those are the two options. I would say all stories for this one. And reply contains any words or reactions, or any specific words or reactions. So if you want the automation to reply to specific words or reactions, we select the second one. If we want it for any reply, any reaction, then we click here on any words or reaction. Now, if you want to be specific, let's pull up our Instagram accounts and let's see, when we're reacting to a story on Instagram, let me pull up my friend here, Latiz. When we send a message, I don't know if you can look at my screen, but we have this 6 specific reactions. If we're going to just reply, in the case of this tutorial, I'm just going to use this specific 6 reactions, but you can choose specific other words and reactions. So we're going to click on specific, and here we're going to click on reply includes keywords or reactions. So on the text, we're going to put the laughing face, and we got to do a separate one for each if we want to reply different things to different keywords or reactions. Okay. So I would have 6 automations, 1 per each reaction. This is what I have in mind because I don't want to send hearts if they're laughing. I don't want to send laughing emojis if they're crying. I don't want to say laughing emojis if they're clapping, right? Or if they send a little fire, we want it to be fire, not crying emoji, right? So let me do the one for laughing. And yes, if you're a Gen Z, I am an elder millennial, and this is literal. Emojis are literal for us. They're not sarcastic, okay? So they're literally laughing out loud. This is a laughing emoji. This is why it is like that. But if you're a Gen Z and you want to be sarcastic with your replies, that's fine. That is fine. So in case they laugh like that, right? I don't really know. Somebody educate me in the comments. What the heck does this mean in Gen Z world, okay? Or alpha, whatever. I don't know. Anyways, So here we're gonna delay the automation. It can wait 0 seconds, or we're gonna delay it for 30 seconds, 1 minute, 5 minutes, or 10 minutes. I don't want it to delay. I want them to get an automatic reply, or you can wait for 30 seconds. And then we're going to click here where it says automatically like all replies. We're going to want to react with a heart in response. So I'm going to click here and then I'm going to save it. Okay. Now that we've decided on which reaction we're going to react to and reply to, we're going to, before we add the Instagram first step, we're going to add randomizers. Okay. And we're going to add a few of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's the maximum. So what we're going to do is we're going to divide this. I think it's on 20%. Okay, now we have 120. So we're going to make some of them 15%. We're going to say send 15 of these and 15 of these. And that, oh no, 10 of these, and 10 of this. See, I can't even do math. Now, it says random path every time, or we wanted to send the same one. I would say random path every time. Click on the check there. And if you put your mouse over the question mark, it will give you this message where it says, if checked, contact will follow a random path each time they react with this step. Otherwise, contact will always follow the same path if you remove it. Make sure you have it. And then we're going to create 6 responses. So we're going to click here on the little bubble, and then we're going to select Instagram because we're in Instagram, obviously. And we're going to leave this send within the 24-hour window because that's what it is. And in this case, I am just going to be very literal and just have these. Then on this one, I'm going to send a GIF. So we're going to go here. I don't like this new setup. This is a new setup, by the way. We had little boxes and it was so much easier. I really don't like this. Manychat, what the heck are you doing? I'm not an owner, so I can't say anything, but I am a Manychat partner, so I will say something. Anyways, this is weird. Okay, so I would just add a image and delete this text. And then I'm going to go to my folders. In documents, I have a folder full of GIFs. So in this case, I'm going to look for a funny one. Something laughing. Let's see, this one. I'm going to select another 20%. And I'm going to send the dead. Or I could go to my Pixels Chrome extension and we can copy several of them. Okay, paste. Then on the 10%, we're going to send a sticker. And let's see if I can send stickers. Of course we can send stickers, but it's going to have to be an image. And I would have to have the stickers downloaded here, and I don't. So I'm just going to use another GIF. Let me look here in my folder real quick. There has to be another one. Super laughing. Wait. Okay, I really don't have any laughing, so you could go to Giphy. Oh, I love this one. Kitty Foreman is one of my favorites. So, Kitty. We're going to save it. We're going to go back. We're going to go look for Kitty Foreman. Oh, no, but it downloaded. It did not download as a GIF. That can happen. So, no. The other way to do Kitty Foreman that I use as a GIF. Yep, that's the trick. Oh, look, she's laughing there too, but let me just, to make sure, I'm gonna put it as a GIF. And then the 10%, I'm going to just have some text. And then on the last one, I'm just gonna have LMAO. And then I really like this one. Okay. And that's it. And then we just click on set live. And that trigger has been turned on automatically, and you can disable it at any point. Okay, so that is it. You just repeat the same process for all the other reactions, the other 5 reactions that are missing on the main Instagram. Or again, you can use keywords. You can have specific reactions if people always reply to you with your brand phrase or your brand word or something unspecific. Maybe you do some videos about a certain topic. You select the specific words. I wouldn't recommend you do any reaction for any words because you really don't know what they're saying unless you add the AI and it reads first and then tells you what it's actually about. And that's another tutorial for another day. And honestly, I don't think I'm going to be teaching AI in this channel anytime soon. I am learning, but we'll see. I can do it for my clients. If you want me to set up your AI or if you want me to set up your chatbots here in Manychat, you can reach out to me on Instagram in my handle, Irresistible Latina. Let me know what you're working on and I can totally do it for you. But teaching AI, I don't think I'm there yet. So I can program it for you either with Manychat or with AI. I can help you out so that you can get more leads, more engagement, send your automations, collect more emails, and get more sales using your automations. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next video. And you know what to do. Comment, like, share, etc. Have a great day. God bless you. Bye-bye.